Hello everyone, welcome to yourfaculty.com. So today we are going to deal with the multiplication of numbers near a base number. Okay, so let me first help you understand what a base number is. So in this case, a base number is a common number, okay, that is there, that is easier, that is nearer to both the numbers that you are multiplying. A common number that is nearer to both the numbers that you are multiplying. We are multiplying. Okay. So let's take for example 45 and 37. What is the common number that you can think of? 40. Right? That's the base number. Now, for the sake of understanding, let me take a very simple example and show you the power of this particular technique. 57 cross 52. So I want to multiply this. So the first step to start here is the base, identifying the base. What is the base number here that we can think of? From ease of calculation, you can think of 60. Yes, you can always think of that, but for ease of calculation, let's think of 50 as the base number. Now the first step is to identify the difference of the number. So here 57 minus 50 is plus 7. Please take care of this symbol, it should be there. 52 minus 50 is plus 2. Done. So we have this difference. This is the first step. The next step is to basically do a cross valuing. So 57 plus 2 or 52 plus 2, both will give you the same answer. And what is that? 59. Right? And the next step on that is to multiply this value by the base value. The base value is 50. You're just going to multiply it. Now remember our technique. What was our technique for multiplying with 5? I'll just put the 0 before I forget. But our technique for multiplying with 5 was to divide the number by 2. And if we divide by 2, it's very easy. 29.5. Right? And we know that we need to add 1 0 to it. So I'm just taking off that number and you get 2950. So there's no point anywhere here. Remember that 2950. The next step is, you're almost there now. Your next step is multiplying these two values with the symbol. And the symbol over here is plus 14. And what do you get? 2964. That's the answer for you. So if you look at it, the technique is easy if you practice it many times. Now let's take another example. Okay, 47 into 54. Okay, so what is the difference here? The base is 50 again. What is the difference here? Minus 3 and plus 4. All right. So our first step is doing the cross multiplication. Either ways you do, you get 51. And the next step is to multiply it by 50. And we know that 51 half is 25.5. So 25, 5 and 0. So this is the number that we are getting. The next step is to multiply 4 into 3 and you get minus 12. And what is the answer? You need to subtract this 8. This is 4, 3, 5, 2. Isn't it easy? I hope you understood this. You can apply the same concept with the base as 100 or 200 or 300. I'm anyway going to take you through the 3-digit. But if you think through this concept, if you're clear on this concept, doing it for a 3-digit is even more easier. Let's take a sample now. Here is my first question. Okay. Now let's do it for 393 multiplied by 406. I'm just taking easier one here again because I want to keep the base as 400. All right. So if you are going to do this, what is our first step? Our first step is, let me write it, 406. Our first step is what? If the base is 400, how much is the difference? In this case, it is minus 7. I'm doing it because you anyway understood the two-digit number, right? And this one is plus 6, right? 393 minus 400 is minus 7. 406 minus 400 is plus 6. And what is our first step? Cross valuing it. If you do a cross valuation, you get 399, right? So if it is 399, what is the next step? Our next step is multiplying this number by the base value. Okay, so here you don't have an option. 4 nines are 36, 3, 4 nines are 36 plus 3, 39, and 4 threes are 12, 15. All right. And what is the next step? Next step is 7 6 are 42. And what is the symbol that we need to use here? Minus. So if you look at it, we have taken an approach which is very easy. And what I'm trying to do is, you don't have to worry about whether your calculation is complex and whether you're doing it properly and all that. Okay, by doing this technique, you are not even multiplying except in this portion. Okay, and you don't come across such problems very often, but when you get it, you need to nail it down pretty fast. Okay, by the way, we need to solve this to end this. So 10 8 is 9 5, that is 5 9 5 1. Am I right? So this is the final answer. So what have I done here? If you look at it, the first step was to find the difference. Yes, we did it. Then we did a cross valuing. We got this value. Then you multiply that by the base, which is this, the base. This is one step where we need to be careful. Yes, we get a big number over here, and then we do a multiplication of our differences and we bring it over here with the symbol. Remember, it's important that you bring the symbol. You can apply the same concept for a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number or 2-digit number. Yes, it works. Okay, just to show you another example how quickly you can do this. Yes, let's do a same kind of, what if you are given same kind of question? Yes, I'm just doing it for so that it's minus 1 plus 6. Am I right? So what will you get? You get 499, just like how you got 399, 499. You have to multiply it by 500. We know the technique. If it is 500, you have to divide this by 2. So how much you will get? Am I right? And you need to add 2 more zeros to it. So what do you get next? Next step is 42. And you need to subtract it. And finally you get the answer as 249,558. I just took it from here. Okay, so it's pretty simple. So it's 4, right? So 458. So that's the answer for you. I believe you will be able to appreciate the technique that you used here. It looks tough. Try 6 problems like this. That will be like a cakewalk for you. Thanks for watching our video. You can subscribe to more videos at your faculty channel. Like us on our Facebook page and our LinkedIn page, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Thank you.